What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I sample music in Cubase. I know a lot of guys use Ableton Live or FL Studio to sample, but I'm going to show you guys that you can achieve the same thing in Cubase. Alright, so let's get started.
Let's go now and lose ourselves. Shake up all of our strength. Dive deep down the pain, drowning your love for days.
Alright, I have a 4-bar loops here, but currently it shows 5 bars because the tempo of this audio track is 80 BPM, but my current project file tempo is 95. So it's not perfectly synced, but no problem, we can actually kind of adjust it to fit according to this tempo, right? So one of the things you can do is go up here to musical mode and enable it. Okay, now it goes to 8 bars. Okay, I think I was wrong earlier. It's not 4-bar track, it's 8 bars. So let's hear it. Okay, it's a cool, soulful kind of melody loop, and I like it. Let's say I want to create a lo-fi track using this sample. It's very simple. Just right click on it and bounce this selection. Okay, the reason why we need to bounce this is because we just time stretched. If you didn't time stretch this audio, when I import it to sampler track, it will not sync perfectly to the current tempo, which is 95. So we don't want that. Okay, I'm going to go to the lower zone and I'm going to go to sampler control and drag this down. Now I have created a new sample track with this sample. Okay, now you just gotta go and click on slice, right? Okay, here you have a couple of mode that you can select, like whether you want to create a slice based on the transient or grid or both or manually. I like to use grid or transient, sometimes it depends. So I'm going to use grid now. Okay, here I can select the type of grid that I can use. Okay, I'm going to go with half note. If you try to play something on your keyboard but there's no sound, you gotta come here and see the range here. Okay, let's record something. I'm gonna mute this one. Okay, now I can come and quantize this. Sometimes when the note overlaps, it will not play back that part, so it's better to make sure that it's not overlapping. See that? So if it's overlapped, the audio is gonna get cut off. If you notice, there's some kind of like a noise at the at the end of the section, okay, because of the relief and it's not properly sliced. So what we can do now, we can actually go to this fade in and fade out function here, just like have a fade in of maybe 2 or 3 milliseconds and fade out of the same amount. And now when I hit play, it's gonna have a smooth transition from one slice to the other. Okay, and that's it. Actually, you don't even need a Serato sample to create stuff like this. You can already do this in Cubase, but there's only one additional step that you need to do, which is to bounce the audio to fit the current project tempo. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, smash the like button, and share this video to all your friends and family. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.